Are you a transportation professional at a local or tribal agency who wants to help deliver the best transportation system in the world? Let us help you with that. The highway industry is changing fast, and ongoing training is one of the best ways to help you excel. The problem is, a lot of training is expensive and doesn't fit your schedule. Not anymore. The Federal Highway Administration has partnered with the American Association of State Highway and Transportation Officials to give local and tribal professionals just like you access to the AASHTO TC3 Online Training Library. TC3 has nearly 200 state-of-the-art video courses in the areas of highway construction, maintenance, and materials. And because they're online, you can take them anywhere, anytime. Oh, and did we mention that you can have all of this training at no cost to you? That's right, no-cost training that fits your life and builds your career. Take courses at home, in a coffee shop, at the dog park, wherever. And bonus? More than 90% of TC3 courses can help you earn credit toward professional certifications. You want to build the highway system of the future. TC3 can get you there. Visit this website to register and use the promo code so you can start training today.